If you are managing social media, customer engagement, or marketing for a business, you may have heard of Sprinklr. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another social media management tool. The surprising truth is that Sprinklr is a comprehensive customer experience platform designed for enterprise-level teams with features far beyond scheduling posts. Sprinklr allows you to manage multiple social channels, track brand mentions, analyze sentiment, and engage with customers in real time. It also integrates with CRM, marketing automation, and analytics tools, giving your team a unified view of customer interactions. One standout feature is AI-driven insights. Sprinklr uses machine learning to identify trends, optimize content, and even suggest responses to customer inquiries. For large teams handling high volumes of engagement, this can save hours of manual work. The platform is highly customizable. You can build dashboards, reports, and workflows tailored to your business. However, the complexity is a double-edged sword. New users often face a steep learning curve, and setup may require dedicated onboarding or training. Pricing is enterprise level, so it's best suited for medium to large companies rather than small businesses or solo marketers. In conclusion, Sprinklr is ideal for enterprises that need an all-in-one solution for social media, customer experience, and marketing automation. It's powerful, data-driven, and customizable, but may be overkill for smaller teams. If this review helped you understand whether Sprinklr is right for your organization, subscribe for more platform reviews, marketing tool breakdowns, and strategies to streamline your workflow.